How to make international payments using onlineCheckWriter.com, powered by Zil Money. First, complete verification for both Level 1 and Level 2 features. Then, click on International Payments on the side panel. Once your business verification is complete, international payments will be automatically enabled for you. You can also select the recipient type from here. If you choose personal, you will see the monthly limit status. To select the recipient country, click here and choose one from the drop-down. Choose your recipient from the drop-down, or add one instantly, by clicking the plus new button. Make sure you have added the payee's international bank account details. If not, click here and select the plus new button. Then, enter the required international bank account details. Once you have added the information, click the Add button. Your international bank details will populate here. You can also edit the recipient and bank details here. Then, enter the amount. The receiving amount will be displayed here. The exchange rate shown here depends on the chosen country. To proceed, click the Continue button. Next, select the source. Click here and choose a wallet from the drop-down. And add the source of funds and purpose in the corresponding fields. Then, click Continue. Your payment has been successfully initiated and will be completed in a few seconds. The payee will receive an email with the payment details. If you want to make another transfer, click this button. To check the payment status in the records, click here. You can view the payments in the record. Click the I button to see the international payment details. You can also go to the wallet page to view your transactions.